from Powering Pumps and Equipment. Here I am with Brad Hitselberger. He's with Industrial Flow Solutions. Brad, why don't you introduce yourself?
Hey everybody, I am Brad Hitselberger. I'm Business Development Manager on the municipal side for Industrial Flow Solutions, which is located up in Connecticut. I have been in the water industry for coming up on 5 years now. Started with Industrial Flow Solutions in January and super excited for this. Thanks, Becca.
Well, I'm very excited to have you. And I love that you've been in the industry for 5 years. I've actually just celebrated my 5-year anniversary with the Empowering team. So very exciting. We're like twins.
Yeah.
So as you know, October is a big month for water, wastewater, especially with WEFTEC coming up. So how would you say that industrial flow is really making an impact in this space for the better?
Industrial Flow Solutions, we have a good product range that focuses in on a whole bunch of different industries in the water sector. WEFTEC in general, usually you see a lot of municipal products, and we have products that help out day to day solve people's problem. If you go into a wastewater treatment plant, I think one of the first things you'll hear when you talk to people is about flushable wipes. Even if you turn on the news, go into open up the newspaper, turn on the news channel, you'll see big ads, don't flush flushable wipes. Even though they're flushable, they cause issues for our collection system and our pump systems. And, some of the products that we have here at Industrial Flow Solutions help make people's lives easier with those flushable wipes. And we actually solve that problem when it gets to the collection system. So I think it's a small issue that people don't think about every day, but when you actually go out and talk to people day to day who are doing the job, this is a huge issue. And it's something that our company tries to bring light to and help solve. So it's really good to be a part of it.
Yes, and I feel you. It's something that if you're not in this space, you don't really understand just how bad of an issue it is. And so I feel like all of my surrounding people that aren't in the industry, I'm always like, don't flush it. I don't care if it says flushable on the package, don't flush it.
And I think honestly, I feel like it's gotten worse and worse since COVID with flushing these flushable wipes. And it's something that I know lobbyists are trying to change this for the better for the water community, but it's something that, I don't think it's going to take a while for people to get adjusted to not flushing those things down the toilet. So it's something that our company helps solve with the products that we offer. Yeah,
and that's definitely very important. And that's that education piece that you guys are able to kind of put out there into the industry.
Yep.
So why don't you say, what would you say is the best way that you're able to support water professionals in their everyday roles, aside from, the education and your products around flushable wipes?
Yeah, getting involved in national organizations like WEF is a great way to get involved. I think there's a ton out there for people to get educated on and join those local chapters, because when you go join national WEF chapter and then go find your local regional chapters, you can really hear what's going on from whole different sides of the industry. So you can hear from the engineering side to the consultants to the people who are doing the day-to-day work at the municipalities and even the manufacturers as well. So getting all that experience by going to those, joining those local chapters and then going to big trade shows is really invaluable. And when you go to the local trade shows, there's really good ways to get involved and get educated too. You can listen to different abstracts, and people who have 20, 30 years of experience go up there and give presentations of, issues that they run into every day and what technology is out there to help combat it. So I think that's the best way to help support the water industry, is just get educated through these local chapters and events that the water industry constantly has.
I agree 100%. So why don't you tell me about a product, service, or technology that's really making impact for these professionals?
Yeah, at Industrial Flow Solutions, we have 2 really good products that help solve a lot of the municipal issues that you see today. The first one being the Overwatch, which eliminates a wet well, and the second is our product that we acquired right before WEFTEC last year. We acquired this company, Clearwater Controls, out of Scotland, and they produce a product called DERAGGER. And DERAGGER ranges from our DERAGGER Lite product to our DERAGGER Pro. And this is basically does what the DERAGGER name is. It helps DERAGGER pump and it helps reduce those SSO and CSO events that we see in our industry. And those events are when you have sewage coming into someone's backyard or through someone's manhole. And those usually happen because your pump is clogged up due to huge rag balls. So by installing a DERAGGER that Industrial Flow Solutions provides, we help reduce that, and you no longer have ragging issues. So it really does help reduce man hours. You don't have operators come out there and having to clean out pumps, and it helps their lives become easier and safer without having to reach up into pumps and clear rag balls. And then also it improves pump efficiency, where that's really where you see the ROI on this stuff. So by having your pump do what it was supposed to do and not have inorganic material like flushable wipes, it's a great product that helps make everyone's life easier in the water business. So, and the great thing about it too is it's economically feasible. So I think it's something that we are hoping to bring to the next level here in the States.
That's awesome. And it's definitely like, of course, there's a lot of benefits for water professionals, but that also is a benefit for the homeowner too.
Oh yeah. Yeah. And at the end of the day, you're saving your town money, I believe, because your water bill is going to go up when you have pumps that break down. And then by keeping care of your equipment, by installing a product like the DERAGGER, it lasts longer. And then ultimately the end user gets to save money on their water bill at the end of the day. So it's a product that helps out the whole community, I believe.
Yes, that's awesome. I really like that. The product that helps out the whole community.
Yeah.
Well, Brad, why don't you tell me what's the best way to connect with you and Industrial Flow Solutions?
So I'm on LinkedIn. Industrial Flow Solution is on LinkedIn and very active. They have a bunch of great posts and articles that they post all the time. You can LinkedIn connect with me there. On YouTube, if you ever want to learn about some of our products too, if you just type Industrial Flow Solution, our channel page does really, really well posting new content and keeping up to date of what customers want to see to educate people. And our website is flowsolutions.com. And we will be at WEFTEC too. If you guys want to stop by, our booth number is 6225.
Yes. And yes, of course, if everyone is at WEFTEC, you definitely need to make sure to stop by the booth and see them. And if not, then definitely check out all the resources that they have online, because, it's wonderful for us to be a partner with you guys, because you do have amazing content that we're able to share and just helping educate people. And that's what you need.
Yeah. It's great. It's great to help out the community, and we're excited for WEFTEC, and come up and talk to us, and we're happy to show you all the other products that we provide too.
Wonderful. Well, Brad, thank you so much for your time, and I'm looking forward to seeing you there.
Awesome. Thanks, Becca.